Changing drum brakes on a 2008 GMC Sierra feels scarier than it is, mostly because you can't just see the guts like you can with disc brakes. It's like opening a mysterious mechanical burrito with springs that might bite you. First thing, safety. Don't rush this part. Park on a flat surface, chalk the front wheels, let the truck cool down, and get it on jack stands. Not just the jack. Trust me, don't be the guy who ends up on Reddit for flattening himself. Take off the rear wheels using a lug wrench or impact gun. You'll be staring at the drum now, wondering what sorcery keeps it on. Sometimes it just pulls off. Other times it grips tighter than a toddler with ice cream. Tap it with a rubber mallet. If the drum doesn't come off, look for the access hole on the backing plate. Pop off the rubber plug and use a brake spoon or flathead screwdriver to back off the adjuster star wheel. This'll release shoe pressure and help get that drum free. Once opened, it's a glorious mess of springs, levers, and brake dust, like a Victorian mousetrap. Here's the golden rule. Only take one side apart at a time. Use the other side as your reference book. Take photos if needed. You'll thank yourself 200 swears later. Remove the hold downs with a special drum brake spring tool if you have it, but needle nose pliers and sore thumbs work too. Brakes are mechanical theater. Springs hold the shoes, adjusters hide like little trolls, and that horseshoe thing, that's called a parking brake lever. Peel off the brake shoes carefully, but honor the orientation. You want to replace the shoes, maybe the hardware kit too. Springs get brittle with age. If you're already in there, might as well shell out the extra $12. Clean the inside of the drum with brake cleaner. Now's the time for reassembly gymnastics. Line up the new shoes, reconnect the springs exactly how they were. This part will test your patience and finger strength. Pro tip, use a vice grip to anchor and stretch the springs. It'll save you an hour and your sanity. Install the self-adjuster back between the shoes. Make sure it's oriented the same way it came out. Drivers and passenger sides mirror each other. Get it wrong and your brakes won't adjust, which means they won't stop. Which is kind of the whole point. Slide the drum back on. If it doesn't fit, the shoes may be sticking out too far. Turn the adjuster star back until the drum fits snug but can still spin. You want just a little resistance. It's like tuning guitar strings. Too tight and you'll smell regret. Before putting the wheels back on, depress the brake pedal a few times to reseat everything. You need the shoes to engage and recenter. Then pump the brakes again after it's on the ground. Take it for a slow roll and stop test. Listen. Feel. If it's grindy, check your work. This isn't rocket science, but it's also not IKEA furniture. You're allowed to take breaks, curse quietly, and bribe a friend with pizza. Drum brakes are weird little machines, but once you crack the rhythm, it's like learning a new chord, just louder and with more grease.